Hey, CWGT here. Today we're going to look at Smart Notebook grouping and ungrouping of objects, and also a gestured shortcut to do the same. Let's take a look. So let's say you have something on the board that you want the students to interact with, and you call them up to the board to label some figures. A student might accidentally bump one of these, and it's kind of embarrassing to them because they don't know what to do to get it back, and you might say, oh, I forgot to group them. So the easiest thing to do to group them is just to take the selection tool, drag over everything. Then it doesn't matter which arrow you pick on any of the objects, you can just go to Group. So now they're all one object. The danger there is the student here bumps this line and moves everybody's work, and the ink stays in place. So what can we do there is we just select it and we lock it. Now the students can't interact with it in such a way where they're moving it. Now the trick I talked about with the gestures, if you have everything unlocked and if things are ungrouped, let's say you've selected them all and you want to group them in an easy way. When I have the camera on, this doesn't work, but it does work on the board. If you just grab inside of one of these while they're all selected and shake it, all of these will become one group, just like you went to the arrow and went to Group. To undo that, you just grab in here again and shake, and they'll all ungroup. Now that doesn't work once you have them locked in place. So if you try it now, it wouldn't work. That's it for this time. Have a good weekend.